Chef Freddy here from Fantasy Springs with my tip of the week. This week, I'm very excited to have a guest. Tonight, the hammer is in the house.
Yo, I'll take it from here. You don't mind?
I don't mind.
The hammer's in the house, dog. So we're
You're
here
the
for a lot of reasons here to make something that's perfect, that's going to excite people. But first of all, I have to give you the tip. You
Okay,
ready?
I'm ready.
By my side.
By my side.
You ready? Whoosh.
Whoosh.
That's the tip.
What's the tip?
Secret here. I give you that
Secret.
because it's a secret. That's the opening of the secret of what we're getting ready to do, of making the hammer burger.
The hammer burger. All right, Hammer, what's first?
Well, since we got the pan on the stove already, it's probably already hot.
Pan on the stove.
Let's put a little oil in it. So get ready for
a little olive
what's
oil
happening
there.
here.
Let me get that nice and
Roll
hot.
it around.
Okay, we got some chopped red onions.
Yeah, listen to that sound. That's cool.
All right, onions are about
Yeah, throw 'em
halfway
right.
done.
All right.
What is the other secret ingredient?
You really want to know?
I want to know.
That.
Jack Daniels.
Sinatra's special.
We're going to give these a little shot
Now, this
here.
is not to make you drunk, you understand? This is for the flavor. That's good. That's good. It's all for the flavor.
Now, the hammer had me at I'd say about a shot and a half.
Yeah. For now.
What's next?
Well, we got it going now. It's sizzling. I smell good. Smell good. Move it off the stove. Let it cool. It
I
start.
have some good fresh ground sirloin.
I see that. That's
To
good, man.
that, we'll kosher salt,
Sprinkle.
fresh ground black pepper,
Yes, sir.
a little Worcestershire sauce. Okay, now to this, I have my Jack Daniels fried onion. The hammer's got me mixing
Yeah.
thoroughly all these beautiful.
That's the beginning of the ingredients. That's not the end. This is only the beginning of what we're going to do to this meat. Right now,
Okay.
this is just what we're starting to do, but there's more to come. Don't hurt it. Just
right.
be gentle to it. Here's where we got to do again the secret. Turn around.
Okay.
Meat face me.
Okay.
You ready? Whoosh.
Whoosh.
Ah! Now you take that and the knuckle. It's got to be this knuckle, and you make the indentation in the middle, all the way through. It's got to go all the way to the bottom. You got it? All the way to the bottom. Next step. Here comes the major surprise. Little Jack Daniels in shot glass here, and guess where this is going?
In the middle of that burger.
You
right
got it,
there.
dude. Little there. Fill that hole up. Notice, like I said, the hole is always to the bottom, so it's going to spread out. You know, we put a little there, put a little there. You know what you're going to do with the rest?
Oh, yeah.
Bring the burgers on, dude.
All right, so what I like to do is set these aside,
Yeah.
let that seep in.
And look what I said. Let's see it spiraling around the edge.
I get you
It's
now.
going all the way through. It's permeating the hamburger from the bottom up.
We got two pans.
Yes.
One for Hammer's hamburger.
Yes.
One for Chef Freddy's hamburger.
Yes.
So we get them nice and
A
hot.
little oil in there.
A little bit of oil, not too much.
Okay, now notice the difference between your fat ones and my thin ones, dude. Those are medium and rare. These are going to be well done.
All right. Now, what I'm seeing, Hammer, is those holes we put in the middle are starting to close up.
Exactly.
Looks like they're locking in there.
That's because all the Jack Daniels is now spread out to the bottom, and so it's going in from the bottom up.
Ooh. And there you have it, the hammer burger. I'm Chef Freddy, and that's the hammer.
Yeah, and I'm going to go eat this in private because I don't want you to see me eat.
And I'll see you next time. Forget about it.